Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the LunchEAZE battery powered heated lunchbox. Before we unbox it, let's go a little over pricing and the two models that they offer. The first model they offer is the LunchEAZE Lite and it's $129.95. So here are the features of the Lite model. It's cordless, has a rechargeable battery, automatic meal timer, heat now option, and a temperature display. The one we have today is the original. The original is going to come with a few more features than what the Lite has. So it's going to have everything that the Lite has, including a Bluetooth app feature, an advanced LCD screen, customizable colors, adjustable temperature, and a free insulated lunch bag. And the original is the one we're going to unbox today. So let me show you the price breakdown. It was $169.95. They charged me a $5 shipping fee. Taxes here in California, $17.42. And the total was $192.37. I ordered it August 25th and I received it about 3 days later. All right, so let's get to unboxing. Here at the top is going to have a packing slip and it was shipped from Fremont, California. So here's the insulated lunch bag that it comes in if you choose the $169.95 price. It's pretty cool. Has a little thing to put a cord through, so if you want to charge it. Velcro. Let's open the top. Comes with the strap, so if you want to strap it here on the side. Pretty cool. Just hooks up there on the side. So the top part looks insulated to put your forks or drinks. It's going to come with the user manual. So inside the lunch bag is also insulated and it comes with this bottom piece here. It looks like it has a little bit of wear already. And the bottom, the rubber piece. Here's the LunchEAZE. Take the protector off. We're going to open it up, see if the charger's in here. There it is. So that's the AC adapter. You plug it in here in the back. And remember, it has a hole right behind the lunch bag. We're going to actually run it through there. And they do have a car inverter on their website in case you want to charge it while on the go. Here's your meal container. It's 850 milliliters. This top has some rubber lining here, so I'm pretty sure it will be well sealed. And it should prevent spills. All right, let's put the lid back on. So I'm going to assume that the battery is going to be right in here, right at the bottom of it. It's a 9 volt, 8,000 milliamp lithium-ion battery. Here on the right, it tells you who it's designed and distributed by, and it'll give you some safety information there. So I had to adjust the lighting so you can see the screen a little bit better. So right when you turn this on, it's going to ask you to adjust the clock. The current time right now is 3:24 p.m. So we have input the correct time, and we're going to push exit, push up to confirm. So here on the screen, you're going to have a few options. The first one is going to be set meal time, then heat now, adjust clock, and max heat settings. And then here on the corner, you're going to see the battery has a full charge, and you'll see that the Bluetooth is also currently on. So that first option is going to be set meal time. We're going to go into it. It says, when would you like to eat? The heat auto starts 2 hours prior. Once you put your time in, it's going to ask you to confirm. So you have to press up to confirm. And it says to be ready by 3 p.m. Heat will start now. And we don't want it to start heating up now. So we're going to hit down cancel. Then you also have the heat now option. So if you're going to be near your lunchbox and you just want to press heat now and you know when you're going to eat, all you have to do is press heat now. Start heating, press up to confirm, and down to cancel. The third option is going to be adjust the clock. So you can always change the time. So whenever the time changes, you can go in there and change your time. And the last one is going to be your max heat setting. And there you will be able to set your hot plate temperature. So we're going to set it at 200. So next we're going to check out the LunchEAZE app. This model here is Bluetooth compatible. So we're going to click open. We're going to click to find devices. I found one LunchEAZE, of course. And there you'll see that it's connected. Let's see what options we have. It says disconnect device, set heat timer, heat now, turn off, write message, set max heat, change your pin, help, how to, and language. So those are the only options that you have on this app. So it's pretty cool that it's Bluetooth compatible and that you will be able to control this with your cell phone. So now we are going to test it. I put some Chinese food in there. We are going to seal it. We're going to turn it on and we're going to go down to heat now. It says start heating. We're going to press up. And there you will see that it says heating and it gives you a temperature. So apparently it's 83 Fahrenheit. And also tells you the time it started and the life of the battery right at the bottom. I'm sorry for the glare. So there you see it's heating and it's heating up really fast, 107 degrees. So I'm going to set it down so it can cook evenly. We're going to wait about an hour and then we are going to temp it and see what the temperature of the food actually is. All right, so it's been a little bit over an hour. We're going to check the food temp with this infrared thermometer. But first, let's see what the screen says. It says heating 184 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the hot plate temp. It started at 342 and it's 449, so a little bit over an hour. Then you see that only about a quarter of the battery has been used. So we're going to open it up and we are going to check the temp. So right on the broccoli, about 97 degrees. But all this glare, let's see if we turn off the light. So 107, 105. We're going to move the food a little bit around. Oh, it's really hot down there. 124. So right in the middle, it's 124. The top surface was about 100 degrees. Right in the middle, 118. And as I'm filling it now, this would actually be ready to eat. We are going to seal it back up. We're going to give it another hour, and then we will temp it again. All right, so it's been about 2 hours, so let's see what the screen says. It says heating 189 degrees Fahrenheit, hot plate temp. It started at 342, and now it's 548, so about 2 hours. And I'm sorry you can't really see it. So we are about half battery. And before we open it up, I'm going to temp the outside of it. See if you can see it. The outside of it is coming in at 133 degrees. The side of it at 104. I'm going to shake the food up a little bit. And we are going to open it up. Oh man. It is really hot. Right at the top of it, 147 degrees. We're going to move a little bit to the side. 140. 119. The meat is at 129. Pretty impressed of how hot it actually is. And that was only 2 hours. So right at the hour mark, I would say it was pretty ready to eat. But at 2 hours, it is like a perfect temperature. Let's move some of this around. Let's try to get a little bit to the bottom. 121. 136. So this little lunchbox actually works. I'm going to seal it back up. So we are going to go ahead and turn it off. We're going to press and hold the button. It says to hold for 3 seconds. So I can say that right now I am pretty impressed with this lunchbox. We have half a battery left, as you can see there. Before I end this video, what I want to do is actually plug this in. And see what it looks like when it's charging. So we have it plugged in. Right here you see a little plus sign when it's plugged in. What I want to try now is if it's actually going to charge and heat at the same time. So we're going to hit up and there it goes, it's heating. Let's see if we can focus. So it's heating and it's charging at the same time. So pretty cool. This LunchEAZE was not available on Amazon, so I did have to go on the LunchEAZE website. On the LunchEAZE website, they also sell some accessories, an extra meal container, car inverters, extra battery, extra charger, extra lids, and 3 types of insulated bags. And they've also designed some meal prep packs, so it just gives you a little bit of extra meal containers. Their website does state that this is frozen food ready, and maybe we'll try that at some point in the future. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.